It's all about the way I feel inside, the way that we're moving side to side. It's all about the way you hold me tight, the feel of your body close to mine. It's all about the passion in your eyes and feeling the heat begin to rise. It's all about the promise in your smile. It's all about l'amour. It starts when you walk into the room. Your lovely brown eyes look my way. Your smile awakes the stars and moon come out to play.